Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Red Dead Redemption online error code 0x99160000? This error message, which reads, "Unable to connect to Rockstar Game Service at this time, please try again later," is a common issue that players encounter when loading the online version of the game. Although there's no official information about this error, it seems to stem from a problem with the game's installation files. So, how does one tackle this error? Let's dive into the solutions. Firstly, ensure that the game and your device software are up to date. Neglecting updates could be the root of the problem. Check for any pending updates for the game and your gaming device firmware. If any updates are available, proceed to install them. However, if your software is up to date and the error persists, power cycling your device and internet might help. This process clears any temporary system cache. Simply shut down your device and internet, disconnect them from the power source, and wait for around 5 minutes. Then, restart your device and internet to see if the error is resolved. For Xbox users, clearing the alternate MAC address might do the trick. Navigate to the System tab, select Settings, then Network Settings, and finally Advanced Settings. From there, select alternate MAC address, choose Clear, and restart your console. This may eliminate the error. If all else fails, the issue might be with the game servers. Check the Red Dead Online server status by visiting support.rockstargames.com/services status. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they're back up and running. Finally, reaching out to the Rockstar support team could provide further assistance. You can contact them via support.rockstargames.com. In summary, to resolve the Red Dead Redemption online error code 0x99160000, you should check for updates, power cycle your device and internet, clear the alternate MAC address on Xbox, check the game server status, and contact Rockstar support if necessary. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.